So here's how we can check for the virus on iPhone and potentially remove it. So let me show you how we can find those things. Let's get started. If you're new here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. First of all, the most common scenario is that you download and install something outside of the App Store or from some other unofficial source, and it is gonna install a profile into your phone which can access your information, and this can be found inside of the settings app when you proceed to the you are part of the main section in here. But when you go to the general, you will be able to find the VPN and the device management, and this is the setting where you need to check out if you don't have anything installed that would compromise your privacy and security. So if you see some sort of profile which you don't recognize, something which is not official like a VPN which you trust, or I don't know, like a work profile, if you see something which you don't know about, you can delete it definitely, and it's gonna be removed. It will no longer have access to your device and the files there, because the iOS, generally speaking, is a safe operating system, because when you download apps from the App Store, you have a guarantee that it's all fine in terms of the files, right? So you don't have to worry about anything. But if you download something from unreliable sources, then you are introducing these profiles which might access your information, right? So that's something which you need to pay attention to. And generally speaking, it's always a good idea to go to the privacy and security section and turn off some things like the tracking here and all of the other permissions which you don't recognize. For example, you can see that some apps might access your motion and fitness data. Some apps can access Bluetooth even if you don't want them to, right? So this is the place where you can manage that, and also go to the app privacy report and enable that so you can see which apps are using your permissions in which particular way. So this is my guide on how you can find this stuff. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I'm going to wrap up the video right now, and I'll see you in the next videos too.